Do you like the Kia Seltos? Well, we love it, and there is absolutely no reason not to love this version of the Seltos, which is the X-Line concept. Now, this is the most badass looking version of the Seltos. As you can tell, it has ditched all of its urban, nice little details for a blacked out, menacing appearance, and well, it's got that very grim carbon grey paint job to go with it as well. Now, this is only a concept as of now, but if you comment enough on our channel, Kia may very well put it into production. Now, the main differences between the Seltos X-Line and the standard Seltos is firstly this increased ground clearance that it gets. It supposedly has 234 mm of ground clearance, which is a lot higher than the 190 mm you get in the standard Seltos. It achieves this also by getting a 2.5-inch lift kit. Another thing that sets the X-Line apart from the standard Seltos is that it's supposed to run a 1.6 litre petrol engine as opposed to the 1.5 you get in the Seltos. But the differences that impress the most as of the moment are what it appears like on the outside. Let's go to this nice looking bonnet scoop. It's got blacked out wheels, these very chiseled side skirts, and you get the X-Line badging. Just so you know, in case you just mistaken this for a normal Seltos, the roof rail is also very impressive. And then the blacked out theme continues to the rear with some tasteful bits of trim that Kia is the master of, as we've seen on even production cars like the Seltos and the Carnival. Now, here's the kind of Seltos you definitely want to buy, and thankfully you won't have to take it to the accessories showroom. So if you want one, do comment. If you have any questions about the X-Line, don't forget to drop them in the comments as well, and we'd love to answer them for you. And if you want to catch up on everything to do with the Auto Expo 2020, subscribe to ZigWheels and hit the bell icon to stay notified of everything that's going on out here. Thank you so much for watching.